Understanding dramatic pause in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting aspect of spoken English, the dramatic pause. This is a tool often used in speaking and writing to create emphasis and build suspense. Let's dive into what makes a dramatic pause so powerful and how you can use it effectively. A dramatic pause is a deliberate, brief silence in speech or writing. It's used to grab the listener's or reader's attention, emphasizing the importance of what comes next. This technique is common in public speaking, acting, and storytelling, creating a powerful impact on the audience. Dramatic pauses are more than just silence. They are a powerful tool for emphasizing emotions and highlighting key points. When used effectively, they can make your speech more engaging, persuasive, and memorable. They give the audience time to absorb and reflect on what has been said, adding depth to your message. To use a dramatic pause effectively. 1. Choose the right moment. It should come before a significant point or a twist in your narrative. 2. Control the length. Too short, and it goes unnoticed. Too long, and it becomes awkward. 3. Combine with nonverbal cues. Use facial expressions and gestures to enhance the impact of the pause. Dramatic pauses aren't just for actors or public speakers. They can be used in everyday communication to stress on important points, in interviews to give thoughtful responses, or even in storytelling to build suspense. And that's a wrap on today's lesson about the dramatic pause. Remember, like any other rhetorical device, the key is to use it sparingly and purposefully. We hope you found this video helpful and that you'll experiment with dramatic pauses in your own communication. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.